Hi guys, welcome back again into this beautiful video. Beloved, how are you all doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. So guys, I am here to share with you a very quick and interesting topic. In today's video, we are going to be discussing on how you can recover your stolen property, like buildings, your stolen building, your stolen land, especially when you are fully convinced that the person that you are dragging your property is so diabolic and you know fully well that that property belongs to you. I am here to give you this recipe for free on how you can recover it without wasting much money, without involving police, without going to the court. Maybe even if you have gone to the court in the past and yet you cannot recover that, watch this video to the end, because this video is going to help you to recover your property. All I want you to do is to please, after watching this video, go ahead, perform this recipe with faith. And if you know someone who are going through such thing or who is going through such thing, please share this video to the person, all right, because it's going to help the person. A lot of people are into crying midnight cry because of their enemy has taken away their property. The only thing that they have as source of income is to be taken away from them by the enemy, by the strongest man. Especially when you know that you are not spiritually strong, or maybe the person that you are dealing with is stronger than you. This video is for you. But before you embark on this recipe, make sure that the land that you are going to be recovering or dragging with that person fully belongs to you. You are convinced that that land, that house is yours. But if you're not convinced, there is no need of you performing this recipe, because it's not going to work for you. Not only that, it's going to backfire on you if that land is not yours, if that building is not yours. Now, to do that, listen very well. To do that, you only need this ingredient. You only need this ingredient. Number one ingredient you are going to be needing is what? Your ogrishi stick. You know the ogrishi stick. The ewa, the name of, there is a leaf called ogrishi, and the name of the tree or the leaf in English is what is it called? Fertility leaf. So out of the fertility leaf, you get the stick. Okay, fertility stick, just get it. It's not the leaf. Ogrishi leaf is a different. Then the stick is the stick that bears the mighty tree. So get the stick. It is called ogrishi stick. Get the stick for me, all right? Now get me 1 bund of Igbo alligator pepper. So when you get all those things together, get me 1 bottle of Shinap. You know Shinap? Yes. 1 bottle of Shinap or Seaman. But let it be traditional drink. Shinap is good on this matter. So how will you make use of these things? I know that some people will say, how can this thing be done? Is it possible? All these things we are teaching here. Now listen properly. Listen very, very good. I have mentioned 3 ingredients needed in this particular recipe. Number 1, ogrishi stick, a wakako stick, or fertility stick, fertility leaf stick. Then Igbo alligator pepper, and then the traditional drink, popularly known as what? Shinap or Seaman. Now, this is the process or the procedure. Go to a place where there is ogrishi tree, fresh ogrishi tree. Go there with your Shinap. When you get to the tree, stand in front of the tree. Let the tree be facing you and begin to do what? To lay a judgment. Before you start making a judgment, take that drink, a cup of it, a cup of that drink, that is the shot. pour it on that tree, greet the tree, and then make your intention known why you are there. After making your intention known why you are there, what do you do next? Begin to lay a judgment between you and the person that is dragging your land. You say this person has power more than you. This person that is dragging your land has more leg, has more money, more than you, but you have nothing. You have no one to help, except God, except your chi. Make that prayer while facing the Ogrishi. After making that prayer, pour that drink on that Ogrishi tree, on the ground where the Ogrishi germinated, like on the ground of the round of that tree. Pour the drink there. Say today that you have come to take part of this tree, to put in that land, that you want this tree to do what? To fight the fight of that land for you. You know, the fight of the land is a fight of the spirit. Reduce this volume. The fight of a land is a fight of the spirit, which no one can understand. It's only the spirit that understands the fights between lands. Anything that concerns land is the fight of the spirit. So it's something that if you know what you're doing, you don't joke with anything that has to do with land, especially when it is not yours. You call the Ogrishi to fight for you, that as you're taking the part of this stick out from each tree to the land where you and the person is fighting, that let this stick arise and fight for you. Then after making that prayer, guys, you cut the stem of that tree. I mean the hard stem of that tree. You cut it and then go back to the place where you're drinking the land with the person, using the alligator pepper and the same words, the same drink. So when you go there, bury the stick there at the demarcation of the land, at where you know that yes, this land starts from here. Just put the stick there. Just bury the stick there. You bury it upward like this. You bury it there. And then use your alligator pepper to pray. After praying concerning that land, you pour your hot drink there and leave everything over to the hand of the ancestors of that land. The ancestors of that land that knows the truth, that know that that land belongs to you. If possible, call on your great-grandfather that handed that land to you, or you know, if it's your father that handed that land to you and the enemy, this person wants to take, call on your father's name on that land. If your father is late, if it's your great-grandfather or the land that has been there before them, call them while you are on that land with that shinap and that alligator pepper and the stick of the Ogrishi, and then bury the Ogrishi there as a demarcation and then leave. Guys, let me tell you what this thing does. The moment they find out, the moment the ancestors find out that yes, this land does not belong to that person, and you are the rightful owner, when they see things happen in the spiritual realm, when they investigate it, and who told you that there's no judgment in the spiritual realm when it comes to ancestral judgment, when it comes to land? They knew the truth. So when you call upon them on things that belongs to you, especially when it comes to land, they will take a rightful action towards that land, to deliver that land to you, to your hand, and then deal with your enemy who is dragging that land with you. The moment you are done with this judgmental case on that land, and then you do all this thing I just asked you to do, leave. Do not bother yourself again. The moment that person that wants to steal that land step his or her feet there, the person dies automatically. What will kill that person is either a very strange illness, that hospital cannot solve the problem. Within 6 months, the person is gone. Within 6 months. After you must have done all this, and I just ask you to do. If the land is rightfully belongs to you, the person dragging that land will die within 6 months. And if it is a government property, maybe you're dragging the thing with the government, just go ahead and do this. You don't see anybody that's in charge of that land. Is it, what is it called? Is it allocation or whatever? That land will be nobody can be able to step his or her feet in that land again, even if it's like let it be federal government land, and they have allocated it to you, and now they want to take it away from you. Do this and they will leave the land for you. Do it very well with faith, and they will leave the land. You know that, yes, you have the full paper, you have everything. This land is allocated to you, in fact, and now they want to take it again unto say they are federal government or whatever. Do this. Do not fight federal. Nobody fight federal government, but people that fight federal government are spirits. Yes, let me talk them. And then leave everything to them. They will just hand it. They will handle it the way they want it. And the way you will take over your land, you'll be amazed. You'll be surprised to you. So guys, I hope you understand this video. And if you do not understand, please leave your comment, leave your question under the comment section. That is where YouTube provided space for questioning and answering. All right. So please, for those of you who are watching me today, this is your just first time of seeing my face. This is a spiritual channel where we teach you how you can use some natural things to solve some of your spiritual problems, like the one you just heard now. Please, after watching this video, like this video for me, all of you. Like it and share this video. Even if you don't have a property that you're dragging with anybody, you have someone who has property that's dragging with some people, share this video to the person. Let the person get to know about it. Okay? So guys, that is just the end of this video. And if you need to order for any of our spiritual products, this is the number to chat on WhatsApp: 090-5982-5779. We have a lot of spiritual products in stock. Please feel free to chat us on WhatsApp and place your order. We deliver nationwide, even abroad we deliver. Okay, so see you guys on my next video. Do have a lovely evening. Bye.